show efficiency of Producer's Choice sound blankets on noise reduction, we measured sound levels in the drum room, right outside the drum room, and in the next door apartment. Decibel level test areas and layouts of the apartments are shown in this diagram. In the untreated drum room, average sound level was over 96 decibels. In the neighbor's apartment, over 51 decibels. It is not that loud, but you could clearly hear the beat, which is quite annoying for the neighbors. To reduce the noise in the neighbor's apartment, we covered the walls of the drum room with Producer's Choice sound blankets. We've hung the blankets around the drum set from the drop ceiling, as you can see in this diagram.
I'm actually playing drums.
As you can see, after treating the room with Producer's Choice blankets, the noise level dropped considerably, even within the drum room itself. This is because Producer's Choice blankets absorb a lot of sound energy. They also block echo, or sound waves, bouncing off the walls. Therefore, the sound dies out quicker and results in an overall noise reduction in the drum room and the next door apartment.